Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay.
My name is Eleanor Maranan from here in the Philippines. I am 36 years old. I'm the eldest of our family because we have two sisters and one brother for us. My mother and my father. So I have I'm already married before, but now I'm separated. I have three kids. I have two girls and one boy. My kids is 15, the eldest, and the second is 12, 13 now, and my youngest son is 11.
Okay. Any experience abroad as a housemaid?
Yes, sir.
Any experience as a
Yes, I
housemaid abroad?
have. Before, I'm work in Kuwait as a DH already.
Okay. How many
As
members in the house?
They have three children and they have five members in the family.
Three
Um,
children. How old?
Now as a 3 years old. When I start there in the Kuwait, the baby already is 8 months old. So when I finish my contract, they have 3 years old now.
Okay. How many helpers in the house?
Yes, sir.
How many helpers in the house?
We have two.
Okay. That means the two helpers take care of three newborn baby, right?
Yeah, we both take care of the baby already.
Okay. How do you know the baby is sick?
Especially when the baby is sick, they always cry and cry. And
Cry together?
Yeah, they cry and they don't they not know what they happened to them, and like something hot or something, like when they have a fever or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they have cough or something, sneezy the nose, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. If the baby really got sick, what you will do?
When the baby got sick, the start that I do first when I experience there, I'm starting is to call my employer because my madam's not staying all the time. They have a work. So when I know the baby something feel like that, not good, I call her. I call in the phone and then ask madam something like this, the baby, and then they tell me what they do and what we should do
Yeah.
to take medicine or what else. Okay.
Okay. Who are the one go to market?
My employer.
Your employer.
Yeah.
You know how to cook? You're the one to cook also?
Yeah, I'm the one to cook in the house.
Okay. Do you think you are a good cook? You can cook very well?
I can cook, but I cannot say I'm a good cook very well. But if the one tell the taste my how do I cook.
Okay. When you did something wrong in the house, the employer angry with you. What you will do?
When I experience something like that, when my madam something, I'm the one the first to tell what happened, and I'm saying apologies for them.
Okay. In case you are cooking in the kitchen, right?
Yes.
Suddenly your mom wants you to go outside to buy something. What you will do?
Yes, sir.
In case when you are
case.
cooking in the kitchen,
Yes.
suddenly your mom wants you to go outside to buy something. What you will do?
When I experience, when I'm cooking and something, before I go, all of them I left is be sure that everyone close, especially the gasol. I
Yeah.
close them. This is number one important.
Yes,
And
right.
before I go, and
Okay.
I leave safe my before I go.
Okay. What time you wake up in the morning?
When they're in the no, because I give the baby, I'm sitting the babysitter also. So anytime, in a moment, I don't have time to sleep.
Yes.
But we're starting to work. We're starting to clean and cook is 6 in the morning. Start now already.
Okay. How about day off in Kuwait?
Sir,
Any day off or holiday?
we don't have day off there.
Okay. Now you apply to Hong Kong, right?
Yeah.
You like to still taking care of the newborn baby?
Yes, I'm willing. I'd
You
love.
don't afraid?
No.
Because not enough time to sleep.
Eh, because it's for me it's a part, and I have lots of experience about like that for keep a baby, something
Okay.
newborn.
Okay. Any message to your future employer?
Yeah. There, madam and sir, I'm the one to I want to employ I want to go there in Hong Kong to work and to do my best as well as I'm do and I will to take care to your family and especially when you have your baby.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.